Hi all, welcome to TCM Education. My name is Michael and I'm the analyst and content creator here on the channel. So yesterday, August 19, is it a day that we will remember like a day for the books, or just another phase when this market, which is, I don't want to say one of the strongest ever, but looks like that, with an amazing move that we had over the last 4 months, both in the technology sector and the overall market. So it's not like the AI infrastructure and Palantir, and basically all the market is at all-time highs. So if AI infrastructure and AI stocks should have overperformed, it's not really like that. It's like the whole market, the whole US economy is performing or overperforming, or the stock is performing way than the normal normal Americans, which is always true. So what happened yesterday after this depressing introduction? Palantir down nearly 10%, Robin Hood down nearly 7%, MSTR down 7%, Figma down nearly 9%, Astera Labs 9%, SoFi 7%, Rocket Labs 9%, Nebius again. The list that I'm about to show you. Let me show you the list first, and this is the list of stocks that basically, where is it? Hold on a second. Okay, this is the list of high-flying stocks, and you can see that they have nothing in common, one of the other. Okay, so we have software infrastructure, capital markets, software applications, semiconductors, credit services, aerospace, semiconductors, internet content, airports, healthcare. You catch my drift. So it's not like one sector is selling off AI infrastructure or AI stocks, or it's the whole market that ran crazy over the last 4 months. And I'm talking about Robin Hood, up quadrupled from 30 to nearly 120. Palantir, pretty much the same. MSTR doubled. FIG is an IPO that ran, I don't know, 250% in day one. Now it's below its first trading day price, but still way above its IPO price. SoFi, Rocket Lab, which is an amazing winner this year. You can see the numbers here of the YTD change, and you can see, okay, let's ignore this Bitmine, but Oklo 200%, Robinhood 200%, Nebius 150, TM Tempus 100, ASTS. Again, the numbers here are outstanding. Now, can these stocks continue? Maybe they can continue, but not all of them. Obviously, there's nothing connecting all of these stocks other than huge upside momentum. Some of them are very innovative stocks. Others have to do with obviously the boom in AI, like for example SMR. That's specialty. They call it here specialty industrial machinery. It's really more like, I think, energy, special energy. Again, Bloom Energy, electrical equipment and parts. Is it really the right description? Bottom line is that out of this list, which is a lot of stocks that are, did an amazing job this year for their investors, and some of them most likely will continue, others will fail. We always focus on those who have the biggest market cap, and in this case, no doubt that Palantir at 374 billion rules this group by far. Now, what can we deduct from this list? Okay, first of all, not all of these stocks are shortable, and depends what platform do you trade, but I would definitely suggest to follow at least a Palantir, a Robin Hood, Astera Labs, 3 or 4 stocks, and Rocket Lab. Let's make a 4-stock list. Palantir and Robin Hood are perfect for day trading or swing trading. They are both shortable, amazing liquidity. You can buy, get in and out very, very fast, almost no spreads. So those are my best bets for trading today, long or short. I mean, do I know if they're going to reverse today? They are both down in the pre-market. Palantir is down nearly 3% again. Where is Robin Hood? I don't see it on my list at this point. Okay, Robin Hood is near the flat line, but clearly Palantir will be a top dog in the market today. Maybe Robin Hood. I would suggest watching Rocket Lab as well, maybe Astera Labs. So far, I mean, the list here is endless, and there are of course other stocks that will underperform or overperform today. For example, we have a Target down 10% on, I'm guessing, horrible earnings again, and we have Estee Lauder down 6%, and the Lazy Boy, but those are not really important stocks. So again, what triggered the sell-off yesterday? Again, there is a short seller from Citron. Citron is a group, or maybe a hedge fund. Actually, I think they are a hedge fund that used to pile in and create reports of stocks that they consider to be overpriced, and they need the help of the market to pile in and short them because they are already short, and that was I think their strategy, and I guess it worked for them for a period of time. Then they started to get hammered, and I think they were one of the biggest losers of the short squeeze in GameStop. Again, GameStop was an event from 4 years ago where GameStop went from a couple of bucks to over 500, if I remember the numbers right. So that created a knockout punch for short sellers. Now, is this market different? I think it is. Each stock trades differently, and we'll see what happens with, for example, Kohl's, which was one of the target of a short squeeze 2 weeks ago. But again, now we're talking about a different story. So this guy, now I'm getting back into the story. So this guy compared OpenAI, which is not trading, to Palantir, and OpenAI generates X amount of dollars per year, and Palantir generates half of that, okay, and or even less than half of that. And if OpenAI is valued at, I don't remember what was the number, XX billions, so he made the accusation that based on OpenAI's multiplier and obviously revenues, Palantir is worth $40. I think that was his. And again, when you hear that, and this guy is a respected guy, I guess, on Wall Street, that was the trigger for Palantir, and it's gonna be hard to overcome that feeling where you feel like you're overpaying for Palantir by 300 or 400%. You don't feel very comfortable with that, even if you are a long-term investor and think that Palantir is going to, I don't know, 1 trillion at one point. I'm not in the business of evaluating Palantir or any other stock. So that's the story behind the move in Palantir. And if Palantir were going to start, the avalanche here, we have so many stocks that are ran higher so much. You can see the list here in front of you, and the numbers are quite staggering. Year-to-date change here is again, and this is not I'm not trying to show here stocks that are doing so well this year. I'm trying to show stocks here that went red yesterday. That was that's basically the purpose of this video. And again, now you can see the correlation between the red day yesterday and the amazing green setups or results this year. So again, bottom line, if you like this content, follow PLTR, follow Robin Hood, follow any other stock that you feel comfortable out of this list. I will try to follow them myself, and if I see an interesting setup, I will create a video and we can discuss it later on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We still have plenty of time until the market opens. I hope it will be posted in time. Thanks a lot. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.